Hi, I'm Alex Summers. I'm an LPE working within the South Essex area. Been with Purplebricks for just coming up to 2.5 years and been using PropertyBOX since it first came out last October. Probably find that prior to using PropertyBOX, I was taking sort of 20-25 houses onto the market each month, converting at about 40%, but finding a lot of my time was spent drawing floor plans, doing the floor plans, editing photos. And depending on the size of the property, could really see myself spending 15-20 minutes on each floor plan. Then you've got your photo editing as well. So it was really eating a chunk of my time, a chunk of the day, just to get the basic part uploaded. Since using PropertyBOX, what I have found is it's so much quicker for me to get the properties onto the market. And this is really helped by the fact that I take a photograph of the floor plan in front of the customers, so they buy into the journey, but also what I'm doing there is uploading that photograph straight into PropertyBOX. So it's waiting for me for when I get back into the office so that I can check the floor plan and also upload the photographs and get them ready for editing and send over to PropertyBOX, which then enables me to start on all the other things that we need to do to get the property compliant and live. It's taken a lot of time out of my day, enabling me to concentrate on other parts of my business. And I guess as a result of that, not only am I finding that I've got more time for myself, but I've seen my conversion rate has increased to closer to 60% because I'm able to concentrate and focus on the areas of the business that are going to bring me more business.